When should I hire a public insurance adjuster? As a general rule, you should try to hire a public adjuster if there is about a $15,000 to $20,000 difference on your residential property, or about a $30,000 to $50,000 difference on your commercial property. And what I'm talking about is the amount that is owed from, say, the contractor's perspective on the estimate. Say it is $100,000 on a commercial property, and the insurance company only is offering $30,000. That's a $70,000 difference. You would probably want to get a public adjuster involved. And we always say this: we would much rather navigate the ship through the process and the hurdles and the obstacles that we know we'll run into. We'd much rather navigate the ship than try to resurrect a sinking ship, because it's so much more difficult to do, because things have been said that may have been incorrect by multiple people. And now we're trying to go back and say, okay, hey, we're just getting involved. How do we move forward in the process, okay? So get us involved as soon as you possibly can, when you need us. And the thing is this: a lot of people have now understood the benefit of getting a public adjuster involved at the very beginning. And I work with multiple policyholders and property managers that get us involved up front, because they just want to take the burden off their back. They no longer want to deal with this stress and the confusion that comes along with the claims process. And having an expert navigate that for you makes a huge difference, usually in the amount of time spent, but also the outcome. Our average increase is over 960% above what the insurance company initially offered. We'd much rather get involved at the beginning of that process and navigate that, because the more we're allowed to do that, the quicker the process usually goes when a public adjuster is involved. So if you're dealing with an insurance claim, I would tell you to hire a public insurance adjuster when it makes common sense to do so. If you have $1,000 difference, probably not worth getting us involved. But when it starts getting into the multiple thousands of dollars, for sure contact us.